everyone, this is Maria. Today I have another fun toy unboxing. Today we're going to unbox the Littlest Pet Shop. So I had a request for Littlest Pet Shop unboxing, and I found these at Joann Fabric and Crafts up by the cash registers against the wall. They had a lot of different mystery packages, and so these were a little expensive. I believe they were $7.99. But look how adorable they are. They look like little cans of pet food. And so that's what really drew me to them. I just thought they were so cute. And then they have the lift top on top. These are made of cardboard. And so they're not regular cans. And it says Littlest Pet Shop, age 4 and older. It looks like there's a mystery pet. It doesn't say which series these are, but it does say they're by Hasbro. So these were $7.99 each, but I did not pay that because I had coupons. And so I had 6 coupons that day for 50% off of regular price items. And so that means I could put them on each one of these items. And so I paid about $4 for each one. So let's go ahead and open these up. I am so excited. The packages are just way too cute. And so let's go ahead, and I think we're going to lift this up. It looks like we're going to lift it up. And let's go ahead and let's see. Here we go. Oh, there we go. How cute. I don't want to tear it off because it's just way too adorable. I mean, even look at the way the package is back here. You know how it usually has all of the information on a can of pet food? And so here we are. Here it says number 3, 183, Littlest Pet Shop. So let's see if it matches up to this. Oh, and back here it shows 10. So there's 10 of them. And they're all numbered. Everything is so teeny tiny. And even with my eyeglasses on, I can't really see that. So there we go. I can see it perfectly now. Okay, it looks like there's more than one package in here. Okay, and then here's the collector's guide right in here. Here we go. This says Littlest Pet Shop Series 3. And then look at all of these. So let's open the larger one first. I have a feeling that's the pet. Careful with my fingers. Oh, look how cute. Oh my gosh. And it looks like she's in a teacup. I love that. Oh my gosh. And she spins around. Oh, there she is right here. Oh, it looks like the little outfit she's wearing is a teacup. Oh, and it comes off. Oh, look at this. You know, I have 2 of my nieces. They just graduated high school, but when they were little, they collected Littlest Pet Shop. And then you could put this on. How adorable. I'm going to have to ask my nieces if they still have theirs. They're going off to college now, but they still might have them. And so let's see. Here's this one. Let's see what's in here. Oh, look how cute. I bet this is a hat. This has got to be a hat because we have the 2 openings there. I bet that's for her ears. Oh, cute. How adorable. Oh my gosh, this is just way too cute. I just noticed this fell out of the package. Look at this. There's a little cup and it looks like there's some whipped cream on top. So this has got to be hot chocolate. So let's go ahead and open a second one now that we're getting the hang of this. There we go. So let's go ahead and pull these out. This one is supposed to look like this. And let's see. Oh, look how cute. This is just adorable. Look at this. This looks like the little waffle cone and ice cream. Just adorable. And let's take the little outfit off. There it is. Look how cute. And let's go ahead and put it right back on. And let's see what's inside this little package. It's got to be a little mini surprise. And a hat. Oh my gosh. Whipped cream with a cherry on top. And then a little bowl of ice cream. Just so adorable. And so let's go ahead and put her little hat on. Oh my gosh. So cute. Let's see. Goes right there. There it is. Look how cute that is. And then she has her dessert. Oh my gosh, just way too cute. I wonder which one we'll get. Oh, look, that's so sweet. And so let's go ahead and take these out. Oh my gosh, look how adorable. That is so cute. So let's go ahead and take this off. Look at those eyes. Oh my gosh, just way too cute. So let me go ahead and slip this right back on. She is just so adorable. So let's go ahead and set her down. And let's open this smaller package. And we have, oh, look at this. This looks like a cape or something. So I bet it goes right over here. So here she is with her cape, just like in the little picture. And she just looks really cute. This one is, oh my gosh, how cute. And so let's go ahead and take the packages out. Oh, it looks like it's perforated on the package. So we may not need the scissors after all, but oh my gosh, look at how cute. So adorable. And then here's her little outfit. Comes right off. Aw, just way too cute. Look at that. How sweet. Just really, really sweet. And let's go ahead and put this right back on. So she looks nice and snug. I'm going to set her right over here. It is perforated, so we don't need our scissors. Oh, look at this. Oops, something small. So watch out for the really small pieces that fall out. The little teeny tiny accessories. It looks like there's some carrots. And then look at this. Oh my gosh, this is her hat. And you can see it in the picture. And so let's put her hat on. Oh my gosh, that really completes her, doesn't it? Look at that, so cute. And then she's got her little carrots. And you can see the little greenery on her hat, just way too cute. And so let's open this one. Now I can hardly wait to open it. And so, oh, look how adorable. And so let's set that down. We've got our two little packages. We'll open the large one first, the pet. There we go, that opens up easily. Oh my gosh, look at those big brown eyes. Just way too cute, look at that. Such a cute little outfit. You could turn it around. And so I think I'm just gonna leave that on. I think I'll just leave that on. Just way too cute. And so let's go ahead and set her down. And let's open this. There's two items in here. Ah, that looks like a loaf of bread. Look at that, a little miniature loaf of bread. Way too cute. And then here, oh my gosh, spaghetti and meatballs. Look at that. So look at the spaghetti and meatball hat. This is just way too cute. Just gonna put that right on her head. Oh my gosh. And then we have a loaf of bread to go with her spaghetti and meatball hat. So now we just have one left. So let's see what's inside. And so let's go ahead and lift the lid. There we go. And, oh my gosh, look how cute. Way too cute, you guys. And so let's go ahead and take the packages out. So now let's take a closer look at our pet. Oops, have her upside down. Look how cute. Look at this little monkey. Oh my gosh, this is so adorable. Look at her hat. And so the hat is a coconut. And then look at the little tiny umbrella with the flower and the straw. Yep, have to have a straw with everything. Everything tastes better with a straw. And then look at her little ears. Oh my gosh, this is just way too cute. So I'm just gonna go ahead and leave the coconut on because I think you can see the pet pretty well. And so let's go ahead and set her right there. And let's see what's inside of this little package. I wonder what it could be. And so let's see. Maybe it's a pineapple. Oh no, it's another coconut. Oh my gosh, look how adorable that is. That mini coconut with a little umbrella. I love it. And then this is, oh my gosh, it looks like a hula skirt, doesn't it? Okay, so that took a little work, but I got the hula skirt on. And isn't that adorable? Oh my gosh, this is really super, super cute. And I think she wants a sip of coconut milk from her little coconut cup. So here they are, Littlest Pet Shop, and they are definitely so super cute. I have to give them 2 thumbs up, no doubt about it. Thanks for watching, everyone. And in the comments below, let me know if you collect Littlest Pet Shop. And also let me know which one of these is your favorite, or maybe they're all your favorites. I'll talk to you later, everyone. Bye.